because they're not tall enough to be driving. Good morning, guys. My hair's a little bit crazy. It's not really morning anymore. It's, can't tell the time, but whatever. It's probably like 11 o'clock by now. We did sleep in and we did not film anything yesterday because we had a really early morning, flew all day, and then once we got here we really didn't do anything. We definitely just ordered some DoorDash and ate, since we didn't want to pay for an Uber to go out and eat, since it's going to be like $9 there, $9 back, so may as well pay for a delivery fee. But today we're just going to go explore a lot of the museums here. Pretty much everything is free, so the only thing we're really paying for is the transportation and whatever we eat. So we got this hotel for free and we didn't realize that we didn't book our last night. So we just decided to pay for 2 nights at another hotel closer to all of the museums and the White House and such. And we're going to the White House tomorrow. So we decided that we may as well pay for an Uber or Lyft to go shopping today.
Right, my hair's a mess, so thanks for filming me during that time.
We are at the Wyndham Suites, Wyndham Garden I think it's called, and it looked really nice online and it is pretty clean. No, it's not. Let me rewind. It's not that clean in here, but it isn't bad. Like, it's pretty nice, I guess you would say. But I did drop my phone on this floor this morning to get something up from under the bed, and my phone had gunk on it, so I'm a little disgusted. Ooh. Ooh.
She's also bougie.
Ooh. Ooh. For those of you with a toe fetish, talking about my BFF Yessie, there's a big toe behind me. Listen, we just ate, but it's getting pretty hot. So we're gonna get some ice cream. She's facing her fears, everyone. Facing her freaking fears. Don't act like you're not scared of this.
What's wrong? Did you say that I was going to shit myself in here? Look at this, it's pretty back over here though. Wasn't even afraid. This girl's hot mess. She's over here she peed herself. Oh, that's just sweat, my bad. First day, we're at the National Harbor. It's pretty sick down here, very cool looking. Some really good restaurants, a lot of bars down here. Not a lot of shopping down here. They do have the outlets. Also, they have MGM here, which I Top Golf, which is pretty cool. We didn't go do that one. We're just waiting for our ferry now. We're gonna head to the District Wharf, which is right next to the National Mall. So we're gonna head over there, hang out for a bit until we have to get ready for our nighttime tour, which is gonna be epic. I'm super stoked for that.
This is a little bit scary.
This is my jam.
What's the song called then?
My jam. That's the one? Like melts in your mouth? Bomb? Okay. Oh, okay. Look at, she always gets to film herself. Awkward. Oh.
Day 3, but day 2 of everything we've been doing. Today we're gonna go tour the White House, actually go inside the White House. There is no videography in there though, and I am not trying to get taken by Secret Services to jail, so I think I'll be a good girl and I won't be recording anything. Lex is currently in the shower. It's her birthday girl. But so yeah, we're gonna go tour the White House and then we'll probably do a couple museums today. So I'm really excited about that. What's today?
September 12th.
And what did that mean?
It means we went to the White House today, which was awesome.
Okay, and what else does it mean?
It also means Mimosa Day.
And why does it mean Mimosa Day?
Because we're at breakfast.
Really? It's not anything special?
It's the day after September 11th.
Your mom didn't give birth to you today?
We're about to enter the night of the museum. Here we go.
Uh-oh. Okay, but no, for real, what is it really called?
The Museum of Natural History. Coolest museum.
Stick your tongue out. You feed on.
I'm a piranha. I live in the Amazon.
To be honest, this is a free zoo, and you see a lot of things. The animals are active here, so got a little dinosaur. Not for me though.
Yeah.